Hello. Hopefully you can hear me. I just jumped in this trade. We had a bad day yesterday. We lost way too much. So I'm not far away from blowing the account because I took a trade afterwards. The most annoying thing was that, look, I was right. Like yesterday, if you remember, I kept saying, you know, the most annoying thing, yeah. So the trades that you saw from yesterday, there was a couple hundred down from the previous day. That was because I was buying here, but I got taken out, I believe, in one of these wicks, because I think I have my stops just under here, and it got just taken out. I think it might have been. I think I might have had my stops under here or something like that, and I got taken out here. But the most annoying thing was I was in this position, and then I think I closed here because my stops were down here at 44, and I was like, oh, I'm just gonna go to bed. And then I carried on, but then we sold here, and then sold going up because I could smell this liquidity coming. Yeah, fucking hell. Hopefully that's what will come in here. When you look from an hourly perspective, this has happened before. You get a price like this on the hourly. So if you look from the daily, we've had a little, do you get what I mean? Been pushing up. We also had Trump coming into office. Smash down. Push. Kind of broke structure. Kind of. Not really though. Do you get what I mean? Because it's still held. So you could say like, do you get what I mean? This was broken, but this is still holding it. It's still uptrend, do you get what I mean? And this is curved up nicely. But shorts, when they kick in, would change the whole thing. So you look at the weekly now. If this goes up and comes down, it would look more than fair enough. And this came down, smashed down into here. And when you have the 4 hour, so daily, you can see, look, massive push. Pull back up, a massive push. You know what I mean? All these days to bring it back up. What one day did. You know what I mean? Couple day stretch eliminates all this. So I do think there could be some major sells from these regions. When you look at the hourly, it's picking up. So it's going to happen, whether or not it's today, tomorrow, basically it's going to happen at some point. Just a matter of trying to catch it. But I'm eating my food, so I'm going to put you on mute. Alright, trade is moving quite nicely, which is nice. We've had a little series of losses recently. See, this is the thing though, is I could jump out now with a 0.5% and run away, even though yesterday I did I'd have a lot worse than that. But there is a chance at some point that this may become very feasible. Because this is the thing, if this 1 hour shits and makes this 4 hour close down here, it very well might retest. But will it go all the way up here? I don't know. Because ideally, with a move like what I'm showing here, like a big daily move, you want an entry like this that you can hold. But that is so much easier said than done. Because gold's a wild one. She bounces around all the time. I've gone risk free though. It's starting to open up. I'm taking it. I know it could continue, it probably will continue, but I'm so... I need to focus on, I need to focus on it's partly discipline, but it's mainly taking profit and managing losses, because I find that I don't hold my winners long enough and I hold my losers too long, and then keep shooting on lose and trade because of FOMO and I don't want to miss out. But with trades like this, I have to understand that I've done such poor trading in the past couple of days that's pushed me to the point where I am 300. That was not my last shot, but more or less my last shot for this funded account, and now I'm on 500, so I've got a couple shots, and I know there's another side of it which said, well, you were in a winning trade, why wouldn't you potentially try and scale into that trade and hold that trade down? Well, you've seen there's so much chop. It's 2 o'clock, there's a very good chance that very well might chop around. I kind of think there's going to be a bit more. I don't know. I think well, here you go. Actions speak louder than words. Or you get what I mean. That's what I was afraid of, because this was a 1 minute candle. I know it wasn't on here, but I was looking at it on my other screen. Where like I don't know. It's just a feeling. I can't really articulate what I was thinking, but it's like we've had such a steady run. I get caught from this so much where I might jump in here, but then it comes all the way back up, and then I'm like, alright, well, but look, price is just that. So look at that, very fucking really nice upside trading, to be fair. If I was still holding from Still holding from down there. That's beautiful. But it is also the type of trading that this stuff does happen. But I just did think that there was a very good chance that this is going to do exactly what's doing there. So like price comes up and the price will come very quick back down. This is 1 hour. And 4 hour. And you have to understand that with gold, this stuff does happen. Like, yeah, you have sometimes short go, there'll be nothing like that. But there's very often points like that, you get what I mean? So if we're at the top here, do you get what I mean? Do you get what I'm trying to say? It's sometimes hard to articulate. But so we don't know if this is the top. Sometimes you do have stuff like this. Do you get what I mean? And then come all the way back up, push a little bit higher, try to take people out. It might not, but there's a very good chance that even if we do continue down, stuff like that is, do you get what I mean? Because now at this point, so what, I close at 250 here, at this point it's 0.5%, I'm pretty sure. So here's like 0.7, I'm pretty sure I just took something like that. Yesterday's losses are so annoying. Do you get what I mean? Like, I didn't even do big losses like sometimes I have before, but there were just loads of little shots that I just kept losing. So that's why I'm there like, look, it wasn't bad trading. It wasn't destructive trading when I'm holding the losses way too long. It's just, which is a good thing, it's the other side of it where I just keep shooting. This is the whole point though, is I kept shooting. Here. Shot there, lost. Shot there on this push down, lost. I believe I shot somewhere around here, lost, breakout, and then it pushed. Is what it is, you get what I mean? And it's like this here, it's very well just a push, just a pullback. It might continue down, to be fair, but it is what it is, man. Because this is strong, we got to smash through this to continue down. Alright, well I'm going to add an alert on where my entry is, because I think I'm going to get hit. I think I would have got hit. I do think we are going to push back up and then probably, I don't know, I don't care. I wanna take it kind of slow, so I'm back up, not on the risk of defeat, but I'm not far off. I'm really not far off. One lot trade loss, slightly too long. That's an easy 3-4 bill. So I do have to be precarious. But yeah, because at this point here, as it was pushing down, I would have been like, oh, nice. But at this point here, it's so dangerous. Can jump back up, easy, man. I don't know, I don't care. I think the thing to be mindful of is that often when there's a big push down, correction, then you sell off, you know what I mean? least a bit of chance to try catch a little something. A little something. You know what I mean? Push, close, retest, push. You know what I mean? Slowing into a big push even up there, but then you still get to, you know what I mean? Still get to fill this range. But buys are heavy, man. Buys are very heavy. Because part of me was thinking, I do think there is a chance that going towards Trump coming in as president, that's in 10 days, you get what I mean? So that's... What? Then it's going to be 16th next Thursday, 17th, 18th, 19th, and then it's going to be on the Monday. Yeah. That don't look good.